Have you ever felt guilty for eating too much, yet still constantly tired, foggy, or craving more? What if the real issue isn't overeating, but undernourishing your body? Today, we're going beyond portion sizes and calories to talk about the three types of undernourishment most people over 50 don't even know they're experiencing. Let's get into it. Undernourishment isn't just about how much you eat, it's about what's missing on your plate. And there are three levels of nourishment you need to thrive after 50. Macronutrient imbalance. Many eat enough calories, but lack protein and fiber. Fiber supports blood sugar, digestion, and even brain health, but 95% of adults don't get enough. After 50, protein becomes critical for muscle preservation and metabolic repair. Micronutrient depletion. Medications, stress, and aging reduce absorption of magnesium, B12, D, zinc, and other essential minerals. Processed foods are calorie-rich but nutrient-poor. For example, a bagel might fill you up, but it won't fuel your mitochondria. Next, emotional and energetic malnourishment. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which blocks absorption of key nutrients. Eating while distracted reduces digestive enzyme output, so we absorb less. Ritual, intention, and calm matter more than we think. You could be eating more than enough, but your cells are starving. When I stopped focusing on restriction and started focusing on nourishment, everything shifted. Here's how I rebuilt my plate. Start with fiber-rich plants. Lentils, greens, roasted vegetables, chickpeas, minimum half the plate. Add quality protein. Tofu, tempeh, beans, quinoa support muscle and hormones. Be sure to build with color and purpose. Spices like turmeric and cinnamon, bitter greens, fermented foods like kimchi and miso. Be sure to balance blood sugar. For example, ditch naked carbs, like white bread by itself, and pair with fat and protein, or choose a whole grain option. Last but not least, bring ritual back. Candles, quiet, gratitude before meals, lowers stress hormones, and boosts digestion. Food became more than fuel. It became my medicine and my message to myself. You are worth caring for. Here are 3 tools I created, or wish I had when I started this journey. The SoulFed Plate Framework, a visual tool to build your meals around fiber, fat, protein, and flavor. Link below in the Wellness Toolkit. Micronutrient checklist for women. Know which vitamins and minerals to prioritize and how to get them naturally. 7-day SoulFed challenge. A gentle meal plan and grocery list to help you reset without overwhelm. These aren't diets. They're invitations to reclaim your energy and clarity. If you've ever felt like your body is betraying you or that wellness has to be all or nothing, I want you to know this. Nourishment isn't about how much you eat. It's about being present with your needs. Your body has wisdom. Let's listen.